out in East LA because they got a Foot Locker outlet right here. But real quick, I gotta check out Nike East LA community store real quick. Let's see how long I last in there. All right, 40% off the back wall. This is pretty much the only spot with 40% off. $140 for these bad boys right here. They got quite a few sizes. And you get that 40 off. $110 for these. These are size 9.5. $125 for the Jordan 1 low or Jordan 1 high golf right here. Holy cow. $93 for the refurbs. It's all about refurbs here when I come. Cross trainers right here going for $63. Slightly imperfect 9.5. KDs right here. KD 16s $85. So that's about 50 bucks. Holy cow. Alright, I spent quite a lot of time on the 9.5s, racing shoes, running shoes, or casual shoes for my kiddo. Didn't really see it. Air Force One, these Tinker Hatfields. Did I say Air Force? Air Max 1, Tinker Hatfields, 130, size 11s. I'm just tripping about the 40% off. Most spots, it's like freaking 20, dude. What the hell? Blazers going for $54. Size 11.5 Jordan 38s. Look at this. Look at this. $60 after discount. That's insane. That's insane. These right here, size 12, going for retail $180 though. Dang. $60 for the Zion 3s. These are size 14 though. $40 for the Blazer acronyms. That's what, $24. Holy cow. Cosmic Unities going for $85, so that's under 50 bucks. $110 for these. That's what, $60 after a discount, so 9.5. In the women's section, size 12, so 10.5. Slightly imperfect dunk highs. Going for $70. Remember, you did get that extra 40 off though. Damn, these are what I've been looking for. Not this colorway though. Holy cow, look at this. Look at this. $90 you get 40 off, so. Oh my goodness, that's what, a little over 50 bucks. Holy cow. Jumpman Team 1. I don't know why this is in the women's. Yeah, $73. Invincible Run 3s right here. These are wide. $125. You do get that extra. These are all white, dude. Hella good. And then look at the aisles. Look at this. Look at this extra 40% off. Just have smaller sizes for the women. Size 7 and below for this one. Holy cow. Definitely the cheapest we've ever seen that. Wow. All right, that's pretty much about it. Yeah, of course they have plenty of other stuff. They have refurb clothing and that type of stuff. You know, I have to lay low there. Shout out to Damien and Monique. Yeah, they were cool as hell. They were cool as hell. We talked for, I want to say 45 minutes or something. We're riding a motorcycle on the pavement. They do have the Foot Locker outlet. Let's go see what's up here. Yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite spots in LA right now. They got tons of stuff. Holy cow. Holy cow. Remember, 50% off pretty much everything. I think Dunks and Jordans are the only things where you don't get 50% off. And that includes 50% off all this Pro Standard gear right here. If you're a Clippers fan, this is what's up. 50% off, 100 bucks for this stuff right here. Laker stuff. Got pants, 50% off all these bad boys. This is just NFL team apparel, $185 for this Letterman's jacket, $185, and then you get 50% off. So is that like $97.50 or something? And they got another jacket back here. This is a new era. That is a new era. This is nice, dude. Dang, that's like the biggest tag ever. What the hell? But yeah, $230. That is an XL. Got a Rams one back here as well. And got Chester hanging out. Got Chester Puma t-shirt right here going for $20. Got the hoodie for $80. Do got a few sizes. I see small, medium, XL. So got a few sizes. More Steeler stuff right here. More Pro Standard, I believe, $100. And then I don't know who this is. Is this? Oh, this is another Pro Standard right here. So not bad. Kings merch right here, 50% off. What is this? $110 for this hoodie. Got the Question pumps right here. Not the biggest fan of these. I don't know why I started with those bad boys right there, but 50% off, so $60. NMDs right here down to 60 bucks. Got Shaq Victories going for 40. That's just cheap. Is that cheaper than what we saw at Ross? I think that is. Dang it. These go for $40 a piece. 550s right here down to 40. And what the hell did I drop? Oh, okay. Jordan Retros right here going for 100. These are not 50 off. Now what the hell is this? Greats? Brooklyn? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Zion 3s down to $40. That's definitely the cheapest we've ever seen. These Zions. Holy cow. Digi Camo, we've seen these here every trip. I think we've seen these as well. The Gil Zeros, Dolce & Gabbana colorway right here, go for 40 bucks. Asics Gel Classics, I think that's what these are. What are these, X89s? I don't know what the hell these are. But yeah, 35 for these bad boys right here. Forms go for $35. I think cheaper than the Adidas outlet for sure. More New Balances going for $30. What are these? 725 dad shoes right here going for $37.50. Converse down to $10 freaking dollars. $17.50 for Vans right here. Got these towel looking shoes down to $40. So what's that? 20 bucks. And then the Street Fighter collab right here. These are Workout Plus. Some Reeboks. 100 down to 20 bucks, dude. Why are these so freaking heavy? Holy crap, some Croc boots pretty much. $70, you get that extra 50 off. Damn, these are heavy, dude. These are heavy. It's like leather inside, that's why. Is it leather or is that? No, never mind. No, I don't know. It's heavy as hell though, man. They got those Crocs going for 15. They got these, get that extra 50 off. The McDonald's ones. These have been here for a few weeks. 50% off of those. What are Crocs going for? What, $70 now or something? Got the utilitarian ones right here. Got little pockets that they tied onto it with little gibbets. Gibbets, I think that's what they're called. I'm seeing what's up over here. $40 for all these. For these two things right here. So 20 bucks. 20 bucks. Did we see all this stuff over there? I don't know. But yeah, these are 50% off. And then these are down to, what are these down to? 40. So an extra, what, 20 off of that. Yeah, I think all this stuff in the middle right here, I think they're all against the back wall. Or the side walls. Moving back to the women's section back here. They got a couple interesting things. Like these Air Max 1s right here, that drops them down to 50. That might be the cheapest I've ever seen those. We got multiple colorways right here, which ain't bad. Then we got the Sabrinas going for $55. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen them. And then we see them even cheaper right here, $45. Obviously, I don't know what size they have. This is a smaller size. But yeah, that's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. 45. Air Maxes right here if you want to see double vision. Yeah, those double airbags, yeah, weird. But yeah, I do got these right here, $55 for these bad boys. They do have some Jordans at regular price. They got the Neapolitans, which we haven't seen in too many spots. Jordan 2s as well. Here, more up-tempos, and then got these bad boys right here too. Okay, do got these right here, $170 for these. I think we've seen them cheaper at other spots though. But then they also have Converse right here, $15 for all these. Definitely a steal. Also Cardi B's, the Reebok Cardi B's right here, $20 for those, $25 for these. Not bad at all, dude, not bad. We got hats with Nike shoes on them if you want some Nike shoes on your hats. Also got some random stuff right here. Got Clippers hats, 20 bucks. Got Kings hats right here down to 20. These are all snapbacks. We do got Rams snapbacks right here. Dodgers snapbacks, 20 bucks. These are new era, so not bad. Oh, that's a pro standard, my bad. Yankees new era right here. Do got fitted Rams hats, $20. That's a pretty solid price. Go over what I got on feet today. Do got the Nike SB Dunks. These are the white gum. Been talking about these for quite some time. Freaking love the tumbled leather on these. I just love the material. Love the material, man. Got all that padding and stuff. And then do got Lakers shorts right here, and then t-shirt. That's not totally white. I didn't notice that until I put the shoes on. I was like, God damn, these shoes are hella white. Dang it, I need to get some more white t-shirts because this t-shirt's not white. I don't know about you guys. That just bugs the hell out of me when white t-shirts aren't white. Do got All City brand stuff right here, designed by Don C. And yeah, some of this stuff's not bad. Quality's on point. $35 for this t-shirt right here. There's shorts, a little bit short, but materials really, really nice. On par with Mitchell and S, I would say. How much are the shorts going for? Shorts going for $65. Getting them for $32.50. Had one of their hoodies a while back. Someone ended up stealing it. Bastards. $30 for these bad boys right here. Got jacket right here. It even says Don C's name on it. Or Just Don. It says Just Don on top. $150, so $75 for that jacket. Got some more shorts right here. I would assume the same price, $50. A little bit less. Materials different. Oh, this is mostly fleece. So $25 for those, and then $35 for this t-shirt right here. Did I hear that they're releasing the Kobe 2s? The Kobe 2s are the ones that I really, really wanted. I do have a couple pair of these. Yeah, these normally go for what, $150? So what, $75 a piece for those gazelles. Be able to get gazelles for cheap. Even at the Adidas store, they did not have the gazelles on sale, so that's pretty dope. And then do got these mother lovers right here. What are these? I don't know what the hell these are. It's some Adidas, I don't know, Adamatic mids, I don't know, but yeah, they got it for 50% off. And they do got a few Jordan retros where you don't really get the extra discounts or any discounts because they are going for $195. Also got the 7s right here, the infrared white 7s, but you get 50% off all the Nikes right here. So $185 for these, you get an extra 50 off. So what is that? I don't know. Under 100 bucks. Under 100 bucks. $175 for these right here. Was at $87.50 or something like that. Not too bad. Not too bad. Got Jordan brand hoodies right here. $41 for these bad boys on sale. They got small, they got large, they got sizes. I see medium.
Oh, son of a gun.
Man, that came off way easily. What the hell, dude? What the hell? Even the worker looked at me like, what? Are you breaking stuff? Nah, I'm not breaking none. But yeah, dude, got these right here. $88 for this Jordan hoodie. I only see extra large. Oh, I see small. So but they got a couple sizes. More Jordan hoodies. Seeing a lot of stuff. Going for 50% off, so not bad. Of course, this is all their winter merch. So, of course, it will be on sale. Is this Dry Fit? It's Dry Fit for 50% off. That's Nike Dry Fit, yo. That's dope. That's dope. Also got Jordan merch up here as well. All 50% off. Not bad. Still got the Morant jerseys right here. These are all the city editions. XL, they got medium, they got sizes. Also got Luka jerseys right here. Some of the Foot Lockers have had them for 70% off. Not this one. This one is 50% off. Also got PG jerseys right here. Some people have said, oh, I don't wear jerseys, dude. Like, some people do, some people don't, dude. You know, I don't know. Everybody wears different things. I don't know why everybody's so concerned about what everybody else wears. It is what it is. I got LeBron jerseys right here. Got a few sizes. Also shorts. These are 90, so 45 for these. All right, not a bad trip. Kids Foot Locker. Just a regular. That's just a regular Kids Foot Locker, not an outlet. It will change eventually, but not yet. But I think that's about it, dude. That's about it. I think we highlighted all the good stuff here. Not a terrible trip. Not crazy, but not a terrible trip. Nike outlet, East LA. Definitely had some crazy stuff. We're out, you guys. We're out. We're done. See you guys.